Hi everyone, I'm Vincent from Van Gogh Cakes. Welcome to Cake TV, brought to you by Renshaw. Today I'm going to show you how to pipe buttercream onto a cake using different piping tips to create different effects on the cake. If you want a recipe on how to make buttercream, just click on the link down below. I'm finishing the buttercream in the Kenwood Chef XL Titanium. For this cake, I've actually colored my buttercream in pink using the Rainbow Dust ProGel in pink. What I like most about the Kenwood Chef XL Titanium, it has a light that illuminates the bowl, so I can actually see if the colors all mix through and it's actually the right shade of pink that I like. Alright, I'm gonna give my buttercream a final mix. Alright, so it's the right color and we're ready to start piping. Alright, so we've filled the buttercream in the piping bag. You don't want to overfill the piping bag. If you do run out, just refill it again and again. Make sure you just push all the buttercream right to the end and we're ready to pipe. So I have my buttercream in the piping bag. I have the pedal tip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start piping diagonally across the cake. So you just want to keep it at an angle, and once you reach the top, you just keep going on. So we'll keep going on for a few more rows, and then we'll change the tip so I can show you what effect it creates. Alright, so I've changed the tip on the piping bag from the pedal tip to the leaf tip. What I plan to do is to actually pipe ruffles across the cake in a horizontal fashion. Obviously, I'm too high for the cake, so I'm just going to go down to eye level so I can see where I'm piping on the cake. So the idea behind piping ruffles on the buttercream is to go back and forth. What you have is a beautiful, beautiful ruffle. Alright, so we're now on to the last tip. So we've moved on from the leaf tip to the star tip. So what I'm going to do this time is to be piping downward diagonal. Again, I'm going down to the eye level of the cake so I know where I'm piping. So there we have it. Thank you for joining me in learning how to pipe buttercream using 3 different piping tips. My name is Vincent from Van Gogh Cakes. Thank you for joining us again at Cake TV, brought to you by Renshaw. With Chef XL, you probably have to cut there. I'll switch it off. Is it recording? Yeah. Okay. With the Kenwood Chef, no, I'm not doing very well. In my piping. Holy moly. Sorry, I don't think I like myself. La 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 la.